Hi. So this time I'm going to present you with a activity as well as a game for your toddlers and preschoolers. This is a roadmap I have made on a paper sheet, and then I have made these signals here, traffic signals: stop, ready, go, and then these two directional arrows here. I'm going to tell you how we are going to play it. The little ones will sit in front there, that side where the car is, and then we are going to sit here, just opposite of them. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to tell them to start. We'll show them the signal go, then they are going to move along their car like this. Okay, and then we'll just say stop to them, stop. Okay, so they have to, instead of moving, they just have to stop. So they will know when the traffic light is red, we have to stop our cars, our vehicles. Even if we are moving, the traffic light is red, we have to stop. And then these two directional signs, this is an arrow for the right and this is the arrow for the left. So what we are going to do is, when we are going to show them the go sign, we are going to show them this signal, this direction arrow also. If we want them to go to their right, we are going to show them the right sign signal, this one, like this, go and go right, like this. Okay, so they are going to move to their right like this. Okay, but if you want them to go to the left, we are going to show them this signal, and they'll move their car to the left. Okay, when they'll move their car to the left, there is no road here, so they will understand that this is the end road and we cannot go further. So they have to stop their car and go back. Now what I have made is, I have made different types of road here. One is the straight road like this, and then I have made this hilly area. For them to understand, I have written go slow here also, so that they will understand that on the hilly area we have to go slow, like this. And then there are going to be many questions from them, that why these roads are curvy like this and not straight like this. So we have to answer those questions also. And then I have made this zebra crossing for them to understand that at zebra crossing, if the light is red, we have to stop and the people are going to cross the road. Okay, so if you have small miniatures of people, you can put them also here and just let them cross the road like this. And then our car will move along when the light is green and we have a go signal. So we'll go and then we'll stop right here. We have to go to the park. So yes, this is a fun activity for them. I'm sure they'll play along with you, and you can try this activity. It's a very minimal preparation activity. You can make all these things at your home only. This activity will make them understand the traffic rules and the job of the traffic police. They can ask questions that who changes the light like these, and who gives direction where to go, where not to go. So we can tell them that this is the job of a traffic police. He checks on all the traffic rules. If you don't follow the traffic rules and you don't stop, he can fine you. All these questions can be answered, and it will be fun and learning for them as well. So do try this activity. I hope you all enjoyed this one, and do let me know how it went. And yeah, like, comment and share on my YouTube channel, and do subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much.